stone turntable, a platform underneath it.
No
We
kidding.
used to have a jack come down on each side and raise it up about that far. It was counterbalanced.
Wow.
And the guy swing it around and go the other way. Because the water cooled it out there, if they backed it up for any distance, it would overheat.
Oh, no kidding.
That's not bad, for 104 years ago. They weren't stupid.
No.
Plus the steering wheel. Now, why's it got a steering wheel?
Yeah, there's a
Turn
question.
The steering wheel to the right, it puts on the front brakes.
No
Turn
kidding.
it to the left, it releases it.
No kidding.
Now, that thing was mostly used as an ambulance. San Francisco did have the wherewithal to build a hospital near the dam where it was going. Otherwise, it was 85 miles around here to Sonora in the winter in the snow. Guys could get a bit of a nice ride.
No kidding.
And I heard it was a very good hospital. It was small, but a lot of 95 guys got hurt during the construction. It was manned round the clock, and it served its purpose. It's gone now, but it served when they built the dam.
But this one was, did you say mainly used for ambulance?
Yeah, but to haul the big shots around and the workers, plus it was an ambulance.
Oh.
That's why it still has the structure in it. That's the number 19, built in 1919.
1919.
Yeah.
No kidding. And that car in the back, is that part of the Hetch Hetchy Railroad too? Or
Which one?
that one in the back there?
No. That one was used by them.
Was it?
Yeah, it was ours, and we loaned it to them. And then when they were done with it, they give it back. Now these two little shorty cars, they call them, we had built in 1902.
Oh, no kidding.
Because it was too steep of a climb for those Pullman cars to go up to Angels Camp.
Yeah.
The switchbacks in the track. These are shorties. We had them made by the W.L. Holman Company that built their cable cars.
No kidding.
And two of them. This one, baggage, mail, and passengers. Now that one over there is first class. It got velvet seats, a wood stove, and a toilet.
No kidding.
Now we can't open it up because we got...
Oh, that's okay. Don't worry.
We got a very bad cat problem.
Oh, is that right?
Oh, they get them at night and morning.
Hey, Walt, can we look at that locomotive?
Yeah, we're going to look at all of them.
Thank you.
That one's a gear-driven locomotive.
Hey, by the way, I like your hat.
Oh, okay.
That's very fashionable.
Everybody buys derbies, so I'm going to...
Yeah.
Now, this is a gear-driven locomotive. This is a piece of iron, man. You got to go to this side and appreciate it.
So this is gear driven.
Gear-driven.
That's like a Shay locomotive.
This is a Shay.
Oh, it is a Shay.
12 miles. 12-wheel drive, I'm sorry.
No kidding.
102 tons. This is a wide gauge. This is a huge one. Most of them weren't this big. They were narrow gauge and they were a third of that size and a third of the weight because at the time the timber company we had West Side and Pickering up here, they could run a rail line out every ridge stop with a narrow gauge one, pull all the timber out and do the same thing in the next ridge stop.
No kidding.
This one's too heavy to move. It was 102 tons. It stayed on the Feather River its whole life. They built the Oroville Dam and flooded the tracks and they gave it to the state.
No kidding.
We used it till 2011 to give rides, but this thing burns 20 gallons of oil per mile.
No kidding.
It's all power, 12 miles an hour wide open, all torque and power.
Wow.
They use them around rock quarries and heavy duty timber work.
Oh, wow.
It's quite an engine. It's a big shape, one of the biggest they made.
No kidding.
He is a genius, that guy. Out of the 3 gear-driven locomotives, this one outsold them all.
Wow.
Anyway, it's parked.
Man, that's...
It wouldn't take much to get that one going. But,
Is that right?
yeah, but they got other problems,
Oh, is that right?
Yeah, now this locomotive here, they bought brand new in 1925 from the Baldwin Locomotive Works in Philadelphia.
No
And
kidding.
they really ran this engine hard, all the way through the 70s, for 50 years.
No kidding.
Even though we dieselized in the 50s, everybody wanted to still ride steam, so they had the farewell to steam rides for people who wanted to ride steam.
Oh, yeah.
And in 1980 we sold it. This is a true story now. 1980 we sold it. It hasn't moved 1 inch in 43 years.
No
The
kidding.
guy never came and got it. He left it here. He had bought a couple of other old ones and took them to Oregon. He was going to build a railroad. He never got this one. And it's from 1980 to right now today. And he died 3 years ago, and his estate resold it, and the guy gave it back to us. So now, my grandkids will see it restored. I won't.
Oh, yeah.
I mean, it's so much time and so much money.
But this is a Baldwin locomotive.
Baldwin, yeah, Baldwin, 282 Baldwin. Now, well, if you want to go up the cab, go ahead. Then I'll tell you about this one.
Oh, I can go up in the cab?
Oh, yeah.
Oh, thank you.
You bet. That's why it's set up and hasn't moved. Might as well get some use out of it.
Yeah. Oh, we're in the cab of a Baldwin locomotive. There's the firebox.